is for cat, soft and small. D is for drum, bang it tall. E is for elephant, big and loud. F is for fish, swimming proud. G is for goat, climbing high. H is for hat, under the sky. I is for igloo, cold and white. J is for jelly, a jiggly bite. K is for kite, flying free. L is for lion, king of the tree. M is for moon, up in the night. N is for nest, cozy and tight. O is for orange, juicy and round. P is for parrot, making a sound. Q is for queen, crown on her head. R is for rabbit, hopping in bed. S is for sun, shiny and bright. T is for train, chugging with might. U is for umbrella, when it rains. V is for van, driving in lanes. W is for whale, splashing in sea. X is for xylophone, play it with glee. Y is for yellow, like the sun. Z is for zebra, time for fun. Now we know our ABC, let's learn and play, come sing with me. E.
Subscribe, Panda. Friends.